Hi, I'm Theresa Thames, here in our new home in Brooks, Georgia. I came to know the Blind Guyz when we purchased our home, which was on the other side of town in Peachtree City. We wanted to put up all new Plantation shutters inside the home, and had a very nice visit with them the very first time they came in and decided to go with their company. So we did interior blinds, and then they did some exterior blinds for us, which turned out beautifully. They were able to encase and enclose our patio. We bought up a place in Peachtree City for our business, moved from Fayetteville to Peachtree City, and they came in and did all of the blinds in the interior. I did not know whenever I contacted the Blind Guyz that you could do the plantation shutters in pretty much any color that you wanted, and they customized that color. It just flows with the home, and it was absolutely beautiful. So they did a great job with the presentation in the materials that they brought into our home, from the sizes of the slats from 2 inches to 3 inches and so on and so forth, which I didn't know that you could do that either. So it was a very, very good experience.